de Hoover for the young Irishman on this 9-year-old. 2 wins in 2 days on 2 different horses. Would be good. Remember as well, of course, he was going well in the race. The Rise went close there, but it was Daniel Deusser and his partner that have stayed up. John Whittaker sagely discussing what's happening now. Will the young Irishman, the Yorkshireman off the top. Keeping coming all the way, looks on a similar pace. Lands out of there around about 17. He's on the button for John Whittaker's time. Will he be finding that extra little fraction in the latter part of the course? Needs to be out of here in around about 32 and a bit. Not far away. All the time it's ticking away, but it's going to be slower. 40.29. Even the younger sprite there, Bertram Allen, sprightly as he might be, can't be fast enough to catch up with the old magic of John Whittaker. 39.09, 40.29 from Bertram into second. Roger Ebost in third. So Bertram tries. But not quite enough.